Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it's
It's very big.
still get older. So let us
Final look. Wait, I got a matcha. Yes, very Japan. Si Baymax, oo. Dito siya lumalabas eh. He looks so nice! Ganda namang artwork nila.
Like 10:34 p.m. Di pa kami nagsisale.
Get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, it's Embarkation Day. It's the big day. Today, we're boarding the Disney Adventure here in Singapore. We're currently staying at Marina Bay Sands. So, nakita na namin yung ship na nagdock ng mga 5 o'clock. Anong oras dumating? Mga 5-ish, no? Yan si Epsi. Hi, Epsi. Epsi hindi pa naliligo. Pero ako prepared na. So, ayan. Ang ship. Medyo malabo. Kasi foggy eh. Foggy guys eh. Pero ayan na siya. We're gonna board there later. So this is going to be our third cruise. As you know, the first two was the Disney Dream. So ngayon, we flew all the way to Singapore to board the Disney Adventure for my birthday. So dito ko piniling mag-birthday. I decided to book this last year after namin mag-book ng Disney Dream. After namin mag-first cruise. So sabi ko, gusto ko mag-birthday sa cruise. Disney Adventure is a lot cheaper as compared sa mga cruises sa Disney Cruises sa US. Mainly because wala siyang port of call. So, ano siya, cruise to nowhere siya basically. So, it's 4 nights of paikot-ikot lang sa dagat. As compared sa Disney Dream na napanood nyo, which is merong stop sa Bahamas, sa Nassau, Bahamas, at saka sa mga Disney's private islands. So this time, it's cruise to nowhere. But the ship is massive. The ship is very big. So, excited kami ma-experience yun. I probably won't be surprised as much na kasi ang dami ko nang pinanood na vlogs. So, halos lahat na ata ng Disney Adventure vlog napanood ko. So, if you vlogged about it, I probably would have seen it. Anyway, upo muna ako. So, as I was saying, if you're a part of Facebook groups ng Disney Adventure, sobrang daming negative reviews about it. Ang daming nagko-complain about crowds, may mga nagnanakaw pa, ganyan. And kaya going into this, aware kami sa mga potential issues na may encounter namin. Kaya we agreed na wag natin i-compare, wag natin, like isipin na lang natin, this is an entirely different cruise line na nagkataong may Disney siya. Otherwise, madi-disappoint kami if we keep comparing, like halimbawa yung walang yung your name will not be announced pagpasok mo ng ship. So it's an exciting feeling every time they announce you when you get on board. Pero walang ganon. Wala ring malaking atrium. So maraming differences between the two, and we want to focus on the good, like yung San Francisco Street, so an entirely different area na wala sa kahit na anong ship. So like we want to focus on the unique things that Disney Adventure has to offer as compared sa na-experience namin before. So that being said, we are very excited. Check out kami in a bit. We booked DCL transportation, so it's gonna be a convenient check-in. Like, as in, lagi kami nagdi-DCL transpo. Kasi, ewan ko, ang saya kasi ng una ka sa ship, yung wala pang tao, hindi pa ganun ka-crowded. You get a chance to eat sa buffet ng hindi pa ganun ka-chaotic. Tapos, once na matapos kang kumain, pwede ka na mag-explore, diba? So, yun. Anyway, samahan nyo kami in this birthday vacation. This is going to be a series of vlogs na naman. So, if you're interested about seeing the Disney Adventure and everything that it has to offer, please make sure to subscribe kasi sunod-sunod to na puro Disney Adventure vlogs. This is going to be 7 nights. So, we booked a back-to-back cruise. It's going to be 4 nights and 3 nights. Back-to-back cruise is going to be 7 nights total. So, kung meron kayong upcoming Disney Adventure trip or nag-isip kayong mag-book ng Disney Adventure Cruise, make sure to subscribe kasi I'm gonna try and document as much as I can. As usual, I'm gonna document all the merch, all the free activities, all the adult activities. Since lahat kami adults, so walang bagets. But I know this may mga open houses, so we'll check out all the kids spaces. We'll check out all the food. We have booked premium dining experiences as well. So we'll get to experience that. We're gonna try each and everything possible sa ship kasi we flew all the way from Canada. Gusto naming sulitin. Kumbaga, nandito na rin lang kami. Kaya nang hinayang, dapat originally is just 4 nights. Pero today is May 7th and ang disembarkation day nun, it ends on May 11 and my birthday on the 11th. Sabi ko, ay parang ang lungkot naman na magdi-disembark ako ng mismong birthday ko. So sabi ni Paul, book pa tayo ng isa pa para yung second is yun na yung parang pinaka birthday celebration mo. So ayun, kaya naging back to back siya. Anyway, yun nga, if you're interested in watching this next Disney Cruise series, please make sure to subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you later once we embark the Disney Adventure. See ya! Hello, Disney Adventure. Super foggy ngayon, guys. Hindi siya malabo. Foggy talaga siya. See you later! Luggage drop. So pagbaba ng bus, hindi iiwan yung luggage doon. You have to bring it and leave it here sa may specific luggage area for it. Okay. Dito na kami sa may luggage drop off. Iwan lang namin dito. Baggage drop situation here. So, ayan. Mabilis naman. Pero siguro kasi maaga pa. Ewan ko mamaya kung hahaba yung sila. Pero ganyan yung eksena ngayon. Tinatags lahat ng mga walang tags. Tapos yung gamit namin, iiwan namin dito. Thank you! Okay, pasok na kami. Yes. Yes. Okay, thank you! Nakapila tayo. Check na natin kung anong ganap ng activities. So, we're at Assembly Station N1, Deck 7, Midship Port Side. Sa labas kaya to, yung master drill natin. View all plans. Okay, let's see. So, once you get to the port, you connect to the Wi-Fi and you'll be able to see the activities for your cruise. So, malalaman nyo agad kung saan kayo naka-assign for dinner. So in our case, our first night, we'll have the Disney CC Adventure Show and dinner at Hollywood Spotlight Club. Medyo mabilis naman yung usad.
You got a sticker? Transfer sticker?
Yeah, DCL transfer, yes.
Group 3, group 3.
Yes, group
Okay,
3.
group 3 this way. Can I have a seat, please?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're now boarding. Time check, it's 11:44. Group 3 is now boarding. Magsa-stop kami for photo kasi gusto namin every new ship may photo kami. We're leaving Singapore. Thank you. Oh, we're boarding.
Tapos ba't parang dead end?
Wow.
Agad?
Thank you. We have officially stepped on board the Disney Adventure. Adventure starts now. Yes. First things first, food. Gutom na kami. Hindi kami nag-breakfast lahat. Thank you! Thank you! Hello! How do you feel, Pete?
Excited.
Excited. Hunger. Tantalizing. Ito yung batch of coffee. The Royal Court. So yun ang may escalator. So we're here at Town Square. Hi! Hello po. Thank you.
Medium din.
Kailangan po hindi po kayo magbabago. Kundi,
Orderin mo lahat.
king of tomato soup.
Ah! Cream of tomato soup. Gusto mo yun. Okay, so while we're waiting for our food, check muna natin yung daily activities for today. Alright, so it starts at 12 p.m. There's facial consultation, dining reservation changes sa D-Lounge, spa open house, youth activities open house, puro open house ng 12 o'clock. Let's set sail ng 1 o'clock, 1:15, Big Hero 6 movie at 1:30. Champagne tasting, let's set sail ulit at 2 o'clock. Hanggang 2:45, tatlo yung let's set sail. Then there's a spa raffle at 4:30 after ng guest drill. Mandatory guest drill at 4 o'clock. Then, puro youth activities. And then, sali ulit tayo sa shopping draw. 5 o'clock. Baka manalo tayo. And a whole new world with Alona. Alona performs Disney songs from all over. Okay. Next. Zootopia, 500 on board. Shopping. Daffy and Friends, photo moment, cards tournament, dance party, youth activity, puro open house, detectives, ping pong tournament, guess the carrot weight. Ay, oh my God, Devil Wears Prada, 6:45. Bukas na lang siguro, no? Muna ngayon, puyat tayo eh. So, ano na lang, ibang araw na lang. Everyday naman yan for sure. Make a card for someone special. Dance party. Disney Princess inspired portraits. Okay. So ayan, ayun yung mga daily activities. They have learned to draw. Gagaball. May mga bago sa paningin ko. May silent disco party. So, may trivia ng 10:30 p.m. Tingnan natin kung kayang attendan mamaya. And then there's 70s and 80s throwback. 11 p.m. Tapos ko yung mga a-attend dyan, tulog na ng 11. And then there's a Wall-E movie, Devil Wears Prada. Okay, showing yung Devil Wears Prada. Youth clubs, pools. Ayan. Sports and Recreation. Groot Galaxy Spin. Okay. Ba't di ko nakikita yung ano? Yung test run. Dito ba yun? World of Disney, 6:30 ang merch shop mag-open. Live shows and movies, there's Adventure Vision, Baymax. Ayan. Wala na. May appetizer has been served. Ano to? Parang xiaolong.
Bao.
Ay, hindi, parang siopaw. Beef teriyaki bao. Ayan. Steak. Steak. And another steak. Okay.
Let's go.
Kain muna kami, guys. Gutom na gutom na.
From
Candlelit dinner.
Well, a very good afternoon, everybody. This is the captain speaking from the bridge. Just to give everyone a little update, at present we are experiencing a power outage throughout the ship. Our engineering and technical team are working to rectify this as
Hindi siya mag-address, ha?
so please don't be alarmed. Everything is under control, and as I say, as soon as we can, normal services will be resumed.
Hindi siya mag-address pagka-brown out agad may
At least lang
May mac and
yung
cheese.
nasa dagat na tayo, naman na tayo nakain.
huwag naman.
Mahirap yun.
Okay, dessert has finally arrived. Ito yung welcome aboard sundae nila. Anong strawberry ba to? Strawberry to, no, kuya? Coconut. Okay.
strawberry jam.
Okay. So, strawberry, coconut. Okay. Ayan, kain muna.
Kung naiwan ka doon kasi nila baka ayos sa
Dessert,
mga
guys.
amo.
Makapuno. Hey, kakatapos lang namin kumain, guys. We're now off to find our room. Kasi it's already 1:38. So, available na yung room by now. Grabe, naligaw-ligaw pa kami trying to find our stateroom. Medyo nakakalito. Pero we found it. Our luggage is there na. That's good. That's a good sign. Ayun na. Ito na kami. Hey. Room 10672.
Our bags are here.
Bags are here. Okay. See, do the honors. Yay. Okay. Welcome to our room. Okay, room tour tayo for the Disney Adventure Room 10672. This is behind Mowgli's Eatery. So, first stop is, unahin na natin tong CR. Ayan, ano ba yan? May sharp trap collector din siya. So, hiwalay ulit yung CR at saka yung shower. Ayan yung hand soap. Tsaka may lababo dyan. Yan. Tapos frosted yung ano, salamin. Yung ano, pintuan. Okay. Next door is the shower. So, tall shower siya dito. Actually, mas prefer ko to kaysa yung bathtub eh. Ayan siya. Malakas eh. Fairness. Yeah. So, ayan. Ito yung mga, ano, parehas lang. Ay! Parehas ba? Parang hindi yata parehas. Okay, ayan yung lotion. In fairness sa mirror, ang laki niya. Okay. Ayan, yung CR. And then, closet is over here. Laki ng closet, ah. Ano meron dito? Okay, another shelf. Yan. Batcha coffee area here. Baso here. Ah, may totoong ref sila. Hindi siya cooler lang. Fairness. And then there's a safe over here. Yung safe nila, buong drawer. Fairness. Ito, ano to? Okay, walang laman. Extra storage lang. And then we go to the bed. This is the Paul side sa kanan. May USB-C at saka USB. Tapos ito yung saksakan nila. Yan. Ito, binili ko to. Yung kumot. Kasi collection ko yan, as you know. Right side is the same. So, yun na maganda. Both sides meron. Okay. And then, moving on to the TV area. In fairness, malaki yung TV. So, may pa lanyard na sila for silver. And then, ito yung tote bag. Ano to? Yung adventure bundle. Bumili kami ng bag. Bumili si Paul for me. So, ayan. Mamaya buksan natin yan. May palamesa sila here. Ang ganda sa lamesa nila dito, foldable. So, kung hindi mo ginagamit, it can actually save some space. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Drawers. So, there's the usual pen, stationery, yung heat styling tools na mat. Wala na laman. Nandito yung blow dryer sa ilalim. So, this will be my makeup area. So, yun yung makeup area ko. Ayan. So, ito yung sofa. And, nasa up room tayo.
Oo. Sila Lion King.
Ayan yung artwork nyo dito, guys. So, sa up. Cute! Yan. And then, let's check out the best part. The veranda. Okay, paano ba ito binubuksan? Teka lang. Alright, let's check the veranda. Ito sana pabuksan natin to. Kasi, naka-connecting rooms kami nila Ann. Pero ayun yung veranda. So, ayun, may dalawang upuan dyan, may lamesa. Mas malaki yung veranda dito, no? Mas malaki yung veranda dito.
Oo.
Mas malaki. It's really nice. Yan. And we're overlooking. There's Marina Bay Sands. Hi! Yeah, 0. So, dito pa kami. So, ito yung port. Nasa port pa kami. Grabe yung init. Kakaiba yung carpet nila. Parang hindi Disney. May Disney reference ba yung ganitong carpet, guys? Parang wala, no? Anyway, ayan. Sige, buksan natin tong Buksan natin tong mga pinagbibili namin. Okay, so let's check out this Castaway gift for silver members. So, silver members are those that sell 2 to 5 ceilings. 6 to 10 yung gold. Tapos 11 to 25 yung platinum. And then 25 onwards, pearl members. So, ngayon, silver tayo. Wala ka naman ito. This is the tote bag. Nakita ko na to sa mga vlogs. Mga nag-vlog na ng tote bag. Pero ito siya, guys. It's very big. Hindi ako fan ng mga fringes na ganito. Pero, it's free. So, can't complain. So, I'm gonna get 2 of these kasi back-to-back nga kami. So, yung second cruise namin, I'm gonna get this again. As far as I know. So, per sailing kasi yan, per room. Ayan, and then ito nga yung lanyards ng Castaway Club member for silver. Ayan. Bisa kami ni Paul. And, let's check out yung binili ni Paul for me na adventure bundle. Pabili ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, bilan mo ko, birthday ko. Okay. Ito pambata na water bottle. Open natin siya. Oh, leather. Cute. That's the water bottle. And then, let's check out the bag. Ang bigat. Laman ito. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan yung bag. So, oh, may towel. Towel ba to? Ayan. So, meron siyang towel na kasama. And I think that's it. Ito ba? Oh, okay. Uy, May pa magnet. Parang wala to sa picture. See, may pa magnet sila.
Oo, meron, di ba? Yung Cocolora. Ay,
Kasama ba to dito sa binili na to?
oo, meron.
Ah, okay. Kala ko hindi. Ayun na, meron silang Disney Adventure na magnet. Tapos may kokoloran. May mga magnets na may color, merong wala. Yung iba Ayun o. Tatakot ako magdikit dito kasi baka manakaw.
Oo, yung mga...
Ang mga gusto ko ikabit lang dyan, yung mga customized para hindi nila pagdidiskitahan kasi may pangalan. Pero itong mga to, madali itong maninenok dito. Medyo hindi magandang reputation dito. Huwag natin subukin. So, yung mga kasamang pens, ayan, for the magnets na black and white. Pero pwede mong koloran. Yan. Pero ito talaga yung habol ko. This particular bag. Kasi, cute niya. Maganda siyang gamitin pang labas-labas. Tsaka siya laptop. Ayun. And then yun nga, yung kumot na pinakita ko kanina. Pakita ko ulit. So, inaugural ceilings na blanket with pillow.
With green.
Alright, settle in lang kami. We're gonna decorate our door and then we're gonna catch the sail away show. Okay? See you in a bit.
It's me, the genie of the lamp.
I'm so pleased to hear that. Well, later this afternoon, of course, we'll be setting sail
Woody.
out of Singapore, heading for the open ocean. But first, we have to sound the Mickey horn. So, Captain Mickey Minnie, help us out, please.
Well, oh, we'd love to. Will you all help us count down?
Happy to.
What fun!
Ready?
From 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's door decoration time. Yan. So, it's a third sailing. Si Anita May. Ayan, magnet lang. Okay, final look.
That's it.
That's it. It feels so bare.
Akin nga ganito ng tema.
Okay lang yan. Para ano pang palatandaan din kasi.
To check on the status of the guests and
Hi guys, it's many hours later. It's 7 o'clock. It's almost 7 o'clock. Midlip kami pagkatapos ng master drill. Hindi na rin kami umabot dun sa Disney Adventure Show. Nare-book na lang namin for tomorrow kasi 6 o'clock yun. So, ito kami ngayon sa may reef, Discovery Reef. Dito kami sa tapat ng Bewitching Boba and Bruce. So, we're gonna have some milk tea. Hey, order kami ng milk tea. We got a matcha milk tea, and Paul got Ursula Magic Smoothie. Thank you.
Oh, like a chip show. Nice. Awesome. You want to show off your dance moves? Yeah, there we go.
So, random lang silang naglalabasa, naglalakad at nagsasayawan. Parang ngayon. Milk tea. Sarado pa yung mga shops, guys. Hindi pa kami umaalis. I don't know why. Ito yung mga tea nila sa TWG. Ito yung Beauty and the Beast. Tea. Thank you! Ang ganda ng tea nila. No? Ang ganda ng presentation dito sa TWG. Ito yung mga iba pang tea. Okay, I got Keith, the Beauty and the Beast one. I know he likes it. So, yun lang. Silipin lang namin yung San Francisco Street. Check it out. I'm sure po no, maraming tao. Pero gusto ko lang masilip. Check natin. We're here. Yes, very Japan. Love it. Ayan yung Hero Training Zone. Ma-achieve namin yan next time. I heard 24/7 open to eh. So, I think, ang alam ko. Puro mga Big Hero 6 reference. There's an Alley Cat Cafe over here. Ano to? Ayan o, ayan. Gusto mo bumili ka na ng bag dyan? Okay, so eto, bibili si Paul nung cooler tote. Cooler tote to, di ba? Cooler bag, just the bag. You didn't...
hello po.
So you didn't buy with water?
No.
Cooler lang, okay. So pag cooler lang, $20. Ito yung price niya, guys. $20 yung cooler bag.
Wala din lang.
With water, it's 28. Pag may tubig, 28. I know dito lumalabas si Baymax. Oo, dito siya lumalabas eh. Dami nag-arcade. Ayun o. Ito yung cinema. So for today's showing, we have the Devil Wears Prada.
Ito afternoon eh, kung mainit sa labas.
1:45. Pwede, oo. Manood tayo habang mainit. Bukas. Duffy and Friends shop. Sarado pa kasi hindi pa nga umaalis. National Geographic shop is here. And then here's Baymax Cinemas. Since di naman kami manonood, pakita ko lang eh. Okay. I like the yung medyo madilim na malamig vibe dito. Para kang nag-step into a different world talaga pagpasok mo sa loob pa lang. Anyway. Ano lang, sinilip lang namin. Checking it out lang. Hindi pa kami maglalaro. Kasi tulog pa si Kite. Baka bukas or mamayang madaling araw. Kasi alam ko 24/7 nga to eh. Hindi ako sure. Check ko sa app mamaya. So, sneak peek ng mga Disney Adventure exclusive merch ay yung mga t-shirts nila. Sarado pa eh. Pero ayan. And then ito. I'll do a separate vlog ng puro merch. Ito mga bago to. Ngayon ko lang nakita yan. Pero hindi masyadong maganda. Ay, itong pouch. Gusto ko yun. You know. Oh.
Hindi, meron.
Yung layout ng ship. Art of Disney on Demand. Ito yung pwede kang bumili ng artwork. Oh, ayan o, bibili ka doon. Ito naman ng World of Disney 2. More on Duffy yung loob niya. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Aga nila mag-pixie dust. Bukas pa ako. Okay. Thank you so much. So we just got back in our stateroom. It's 8:10 p.m. right now and our dinner is at 8:30. So, pahinga lang muna. So, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami. Sinilip lang namin kung ano mga meron dito. Bukas, mas ma-explore namin siya. Sarado pa yung mga stores. Hindi pa kami umaalis, guys. Nasa port pa din kami until now. Ano sabi, Mars? Tabingi daw yung ship. Hindi daw proportion yung ship, sabi. So, like, ewan ko what that means.
Nasikip eh, so magpo-proportion na yan.
So, yun. Hindi daw proportion yung ship for whatever that means. So, kaya hindi pa nakakaalis. So, sarado pa yung mga stores. Except for the tea store, yung TWG, tsaka yung Batcha. Yun lang yung bukas. Which is weird. Bakit kaya yung mga coffee, yung Batcha, tsaka yung TWG bukas, no?
Baka it's not tax-free.
Wow nga. Kasi baka hindi sila tax-free either way. I mean, parang ganun. So, they can like open whenever they want. Anyway, prep lang kami for dinner. Ang haba ng tulog namin. Hindi man pala mahaba. Like, yun nga, after ng master drill, natulog kami, nagpahinga. And then, na-miss na nga namin yung 6 p.m. show. We're gonna catch it tomorrow na lang instead. Anyway, mag-ready lang kami for dinner. And then, I'll see you at the Hollywood Spotlight Club. Doon kami magdi-dinner. Okay? Bye. The drill. Ayan. So, yun yung mga items. Post nyo na lang ulit. For small plates, I think I'm gonna get the mozzarella cheese burrata. For entrees, I'll do the chicken tikka masala. And dessert will be the molten cake. Okay, I'll show you once it's served.
Please welcome Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse! Care to dance? I'd love
Thank you. Okay, what did you get?
Ahi tuna.
Ahi tuna. Do you want the bread?
No, we're good. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Nandito dito sa Hollywood Spotlight Club, guys. So, if magpo-cruise kayo sa Disney Adventure soon, mag-email kayo and request for this restaurant as your first rotational dining. Kasi ano yun eh, parang you have 4 options. Tapos yung parang you only get to have 3. Like kung 4 night sailing, 3 lang restaurant yung iikutan mo. And ito yung nire-recommend nila na the best. So ito, nag-email ako to request for this. Kasi ito lang yung may show eh. Alam ko yung Navigators Club, yung kung saan kami nag-breakfast kung saan kami nag-lunch kanina, walang show doon. Parang like, kainan lang na normal. So, eto nandito si Mickey, si Minnie, si Donald Duck, si Daisy. So, mas maganda dito. So, request nyo na dito kayo kumain para may show na makakanood kayo. Ganda. Chicken tikka masala, it's an Indian dish. Ano to?
Citron based na grouper fillet.
Grouper fillet. Okay, molten cake for dessert. Ayan na. It's dessert time. Pare-pares kami. Ikaw, molten cake din? Okay, pare-pares kami na in order. Dinner just ended. Masarap. Hindi namin bet yung chocolate molten cake. Hindi namin siya. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung lasa. But anyway, dito kami sa elevator. Hindi namin si Kate. Tignan nyo yung mga... Ang ganda ng carpet dito. Ang bongga, oh. I like it. I think this is the best carpet. Well, Disney Dream lang naman yung comparison namin, guys. Pero, like, look, oh. Ang ganda. Okay. Punta tayo dun sa may, sa hammer ni Thor. Hammered shut. So you'll never be worthy. No one is worthy. Aladdin. Ganda ng mga artwork dito. Uy, si Belle. Cute. Ganda. Ganda ng mga artwork nila. Take a guess of what's the towel animal of the night.
Oh my gosh.
What's your guess, Epsi?
Day 1. Usually
Siguro merlion kasi hindi tayo mother. Crab. Crab. Ako, dahil kasama kita, I think monkey.
Ako, I think it's an elephant.
Ay.
Ikaw, Epsi.
Duck.
Aking monkey.
Nagkaroon na ba tayo ng duck ever?
No.
Kasama ko si Anne, it's a wild boar.
Wow. Wow.
Yun natin. What's the towel animal of today? Thank you so much.
What is it? It's a
Thank
penguin.
you so much. Ay, ano ba? Sabi ko, yung gano'n ko yung braso ko, wala nga palang magic band. Hey. Let's see. Ay, sabi ko na penguin, hindi ko
Isip ko ni D1 eh.
It's a penguin. Penguin din sa inyo?
Yeah.
Sa amin din.
It's also a penguin.
This is so frustrating.
Okay. Okay, so we're back in our stateroom. Let's do highs and lows. Your top 3, or kung meron man, top 3 highs and top 3 lows. I'll go first. Highs muna. Highs, embarkation day is always the most exciting part. Kasi nga, yung nung first time nakita yung ship, yung laki niya. Kasi ang nasakyan lang namin before is yung Dream. Without comparing nga, pero like, yung massiveness ng ship, yung sobrang laki yan, parang naka-excite siyang makita for the first time. So that's one of my highs. Second is seeing the castaway gifts for me. Kasi first time namin magkaroon na inaugural gifts. So, this is our 3rd cruise. So, natuwa ako sa mga binili din namin, yung mga onboard gifts na binili namin. So, natuwa ako doon. Happy ako doon. And third is the San Francisco Street. So, nag-explore kami a little bit. Di kami masyado naglaro. Pero, I can see na mukhang mapapadalas ang punta namin doon just to play doon sa mga areas doon. So, parang masaya siyang punta. So, it's entirely new thing na wala sa ibang Disney cruise ships. So, yun yung isa sa mga favorites ko for today. Lows of today, yung init. Like, siguro yung number one. Like, hindi namin kinaya yung sail away party. To be completely honest, hindi ako nag-enjoy kasi trick na trick yung araw, sobrang init, tas siksikan parang sardinas kasi nga syempre lahat gusto sa harapan para makita yung show. So, hindi ko masyadong na-appreciate. Hindi katulad ng, I know I said I won't compare, pero like, hindi katulad nung, alam mo, sa Disney Dream na mas comfortable talaga sa top deck. Kahit mainit, halimbawa, mahangin, or hindi ko alam kung Florida weather yun versus Singapore weather, or it's because of the ship, pero like, mas pleasant yung sail away party pag nasa top deck tapos nakaupo sa taas. Anyway, so yun yung isa sa mga hindi ko na-enjoy, which is sad kasi like I'm always looking forward to sail away party, and first time namin yung marinig yung Let's Set Sail kasi lagi kaming sailing away dahil nga dun sa Disney Dream sailing away siya. So eto Let's Set Sail, which is yung mga sa newer ships kasi Let's Set Sail yung kanta. So hindi ko masyado na feel yung, alam mo yun, yung emotions ng sailing away party na hindi katulad nung, di ba yung first time kong nag Disney Dream, naiyak ako. Parang ngayon, hindi ko maano kasi bothered ako dahil ang init, tagtak ng pawis, tapos parang ang sikip, ang baho, like kung ano-anong amoy yun na, I mean, halo-halo na. So, yun. And, siguro the last lows for today is yung puyat. Kasi galing kami ng shift sa gabi, nag-out kami ng 6 a.m., nag-prep na, dire-diretso na. So, like, so pagod na pagod. Kaya nung nag-Let's Set Sail, sobrang init. After nun, like, bagsak kami pare-parehas. Tulog kami lahat. Kasi, galing nga ng shift. Yung pagod plus yung init, hindi siya magandang combo. Hopefully, tomorrow will be better for me. How about you?
Highs ko. Syempre yung the embarkation itself. Yung the experience. Kasi talagang, yun yung, I think yun yung isa sa mga laging highlights naman ng cruise. First time namin nakita, tsaka bago pa, alam mo yun. And another high siguro is yung I appreciate na yung mga crew, yung mga mga what do you call them? Cast members. Yung mga cast members super, they try their best talaga na na maging pleasant to everyone.
Matanong sila, like maya sila tanong, how was your experience? So parang I think they're craving for feedback as well.
Kasi
Na parang, since bago. So parang maano sila, parang they care, genuinely care. Makikita mo na nagtatanong talaga sila to ask. To like,
not to just chit-chat.
Oo.
So siguro kayo kung you go to adventure, kung meron kayong experience na gusto niyo i-share, good or bad, i-share nyo. Kasi I think right now, since bago nga sila, they're in need of feedback. Para maintindihan nila what people
especially
want.
During inaugural sailings, yung first year talaga, syempre medyo, they're working out the kinks. So, lahat ng issue. So, it's always best to raise it ng maaga para they can work it out. Parang kanina, dumating kami dito nang sira yung door handle ng CR. So, tinawag agad ni Paul to report it. So, ayun.
Hindi naman ginawa, pero at least ni-report namin. Hindi namin kasalanan.
Oo, kasi para lang just to get it on record na sira siya nung nag-start kami. Nung dumating kami dito.
Yeah. Tapos si Anden, nung sa room din nila,
wala yung castaway
gifts niya. So
tinawag niya. So, na-resolve naman. TV nila isn't working.
Hindi gumagana.
So, may mga ganong issues na which we find weird, like halimbawa yung TV at saka yung door handle na
ang bago lang.
2 months pa lang tong ship pa sira na yung door handle.
Kasi yung door handle, when you hold it, pag, di ba, either ito-twist mo, tahila. Pag hila mo, tanggal na. Both sides.
But anyway, we're going into lows.
Yeah.
Highs muna.
But yeah, isa pa is yung food. I love the food. Lalo na yung dinner.
Masarap yung food.
Na-appreciate ko.
Yung variety ng Asian. Like, nag-incorporate kasi sila ng Asian cuisine. So syempre, bilang Asians, mas masaya yung maraming variety na ganyan. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-buffet. So, bukas we will try it.
Kasi nag-sit down din kami ng lunch namin. So
yun. Masarap yung food. Okay, your lows.
Lows, syempre, number 1, init.
Init
just
talaga.
Lord.
Hindi kasi kami pang init. Alam mo naman, taga-Canada kami. So, like, sanay kami sa lamig. Hindi kami pang init.
yung init. Tapos, ano ba yun? Na ang tagal naming mag-sail. Hanggang ngayon,
Ay, oo nga!
It is like 10:34
It's
p.m.
10:34 p.m. Hindi pa
Hindi pa kami
kami
nagsisail,
maalis.
so-
Kaya wala akong masashare na haul for tonight kasi sarado yung
Kasi
stores.
they don't
Hindi
open.
Hindi sila nag-open.
Oo.
Kasi nga, we have to be in international waters for them to open. So, hindi sila nag-open today. Tapos walang balita at all kung anong,
Oras,
magsisail ba kami o dito na lang kami forever.
Ang issue daw kasi is yung load, yung balance ng
Hindi daw balance yung barko.
So they're trying to figure
We
out how to
don't
balance.
know what that means. So, lilipat daw kami sa concierge. We don't mind. Pero sana makaalis na soon. Pero like,
Kasi pasara na sila, ang schedule nila is like 6 to 10. So,
wala na yun
6 to
today.
11.
Feeling ko pagising natin na lang natin malalaman kung umandar ba tayo o hindi. So, like, it just sucks kasi, tawag dito, usually pag nag-ship's horn, yun na yung senyales na aandar na. Pero wala na, dito pa din. Yan, kita pa rin naman yung yung Marina Bay Sands. Nandiyan pa rin, tanaw pa rin namin. So, yun. Ano pa? Yun lang ang lows mo. Meron ka pang lows?
Siguro yun, yung kanina nabanggit natin is yung mga yung
Little
parts,
issues.
yung mga little things na you wouldn't expect na sira na in a new ship. Parang surprisingly.
Ayun. Like, may minor lang naman yun sa door handle. Hindi naman siya big deal. Pero like, nakakagulat lang. So, hindi ko alam kung sino, like, is it the quality of the door o yung may gumamit na mapanirang kamay. Hindi natin alam. Pero, ayun. But overall, like, siguro isa pa, like, hindi, not high and not low, but like, nasa middle. Nakakalito yung ship. Like, nakakalito yung layout. Talagang, like, ilang beses kaming ilang beses kaming nagkagulo. Like, saan ba? Kasi, like, hindi namin magets yung layout. Like, I don't know if we will get it by the end of this sailing, pero...
At saka, if we compare lang sa Dream, meron kasi siya, kunwari nasa aft ka, may sign siya na, punta dito yung papuntang, forward. So, may idea ka. Dito wala. Sinasabi lang na nasa aft ka, nasa forward ka, and then go figure kung saan ka papunta.
Medyo, ang dami eskinitang papasukan para ma-reach mo yung isang area na parang medyo tago, na parang hindi masyadong
Kasi
obvious.
nga malaki siya. Yun yung
Oo. Kasi nga, yun nga, like, and we have, like, we are aware naman na, like, it didn't start as a Disney ship. So, talagang, Disney tried their best to, parang, make it
as Disney as possible.
as Disney as possible. Pero, at first, pagpasok mo pa lang, you can really tell that it didn't start as a
yung
Disney
pala
ship.
isang low. Yung wala yung family greeting pagpasok.
Oh, well, we knew that.
Pero parang, syempre.
We knew that. Kasi wala ang atrium. So, ayun, but other than that, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Siguro like dahil lang siguro sa yung pagod, like puyat and pagod. So parang
Wala kaming masyadong energy
today. Kaya hindi kami masyadong nakapag-explore. Konti lang yung mga
Saka
naipakita
mainit
namin today.
Kasi nung medyo may energy pa kami to explore, sobrang init. So parang you wouldn't wanna go out. So nagstay lang kami indoors. Tsaka isa lang palang napansin ko. Sobrang rinig mo yung kapitbahay sa taas, kahit sa gilid. Rinig mo yung kalabog, yung kunwari sila sa kabila kasi sila may nung nag-aayos sila ng mga luggages, pag nababagsak yung luggage, na-feel mo nag-vibrate, tsaka naririnig mo. Lalo na yung sa taas, tsaka dito sa side, sa likod. Medyo
narinig ko.
malikot sila.
Nagising nga ako eh.
Kalabog here and kalabog there.
Hopefully, it's a one-time thing. Pero, we'll see tomorrow. I have a feeling tomorrow is gonna be a lot better once na makatulog na kami at magka-energy na, and we'll be able to explore more and do more. Another thing that I wanna mention is, halimbawa, yung daily activities, like, hindi nagsho-show up doon yung mga trivia. But, nalaman lang ni Paul by searching for it. Like, sinearch niya doon sa activities yung trivia, tapos lumabas doon yung mga trivia, pati yung mga schedule. So, pinag-heart namin siya. Saka lang siya lumabas
Kahit yung bingo.
Sa listahan. Kasi, di ba, may daily activities, tapos nandun lahat ng mga listahan, i-heart mo kung ano yung mga magustuhan mo. Wala doon yung trivia, wala rin doon yung bingo. Kailangan mong i-search pa para lumabas siya. So may mga issues dun sa app. I don't know kung mag-update siya. Tapos yung Iron Run test cycle, lumabas yung availability kanina mga 6:30. Sobrang bilis. Like, kasi, minessage ko pa muna si Anne. Pagka, Mars, on na yung Iron Cycle, blah, 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 para makapag-book din sila. Pagbalik, wala na. Sabi ko na, dapat pala binuko na muna. Kasi nagulat ako, akala ko, ina-expect ko na 4 na yung lalabas kasi connected yung natin. Pero 2 lang. Gusto ko sana para lahat tayo. Anyway, there's that. But anyway, yun nga. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. We're gonna call it a night para makapagpahinga ng maaga, tulog ng maaga para makagising ng maaga. So our goal is to wake up tomorrow very early para makapag-explore kami nang wala masyadong tao at hindi mainit. Para mas pleasant yung gala bukas. Okay? See you tomorrow. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we're gonna have a series of other Disney Adventure vlogs in the next coming days and weeks. So make sure you're subscribed para ma-update kayo once a new vlog is up. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.
The ship, of course, remains safe, but we will unfortunately be cancelling the remainder of this experience and will therefore need to disembark all passengers from the ship over the course of the next several hours.
What?
I, of course, deeply apologize for the inconvenience this has caused.
If you ask me how I really feel, the best things in life's for free.